The proposed policy by Education Minister is meant to enhance efficient and effective use of financial resources at school level. It will also improve timelines of fund disbursement to schools and ensure transparency and accountability in the utilization of the education grant. Nghipondoka explained that the aim is to narrow inequalities through an efficient and equitable funding mechanism that ensure that schools and their learners from different socio-economic backgrounds access adequate resources required to fully participate in education.
To better understand the linkages between inputs, outputs, and outcomes in basic education, and to assess the efficiency of public spending and resource allocation for basic education, the Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture, with support from the UNICEF, conducted an extensive public expenditure review of the basic education system in 2017. The PER recommended that the Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture develop a policy to facilitate an equitable and pro-poor resource allocation to all public schools in Namibia.
She further explained that the formula to determine the education grant allocation to schools will be calculated based on 4 variables. These are basic allocation for curriculum attainment per learner per school phase, learner characteristics such as special learning needs, co-curricular and extracurricular needs, and school characteristics such as remoteness of the school.
The implementation framework for this school grant policy highlights the roles and responsibilities of key education stakeholders. The Ministry of Education, Arts and Culture is expected to raise awareness of this policy at all levels of the education system and to coordinate, monitor, and evaluate its implementation at each level, including making adequate budgetary provisions and employing various communication strategies for advocacy and dissemination at each level.
Positive results have been reaped in primary education. Over the last 30 years, Namibia thus has an enrollment rate of over 98% in primary schools and is close to universal primary education. Yolene Shapela, NBC News, Windhoek.